Welcome back to Kay's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these golden, flaky, fried apple pies. To get started, you'll want to peel and dice 5 to 6 apples, and I'm using Honeycrisp apples, but you can use any apple that's on the firmer side like Granny Smith. And this is to make sure that the apples maintain their shape while cooking. And once you're done, you can start on the filling by adding those diced apples to a pan with a splash of lemon juice, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a dash of nutmeg, and a 1/2 tablespoon of this bourbon vanilla bean paste, but you can also use vanilla extract. Mix that together with 1/2 stick of butter and let that cook for a few minutes before adding in your cornstarch water mixture to thicken up the filling. For the dough, I'm using these puff pastry sheets. They were already folded into thirds out of the box, so I'm just cutting them in half. I like to put just a little bit of flour down so the dough won't stick. And here I'm just adding some of that filling to each piece. But before you add the filling, if you see that the pieces of dough aren't as big as you like them, you do have the option to roll them out just a little bit. Once you've added your filling, go ahead and add another layer of that dough on top. And I do like to press down the edges with my fingers first, then I'll go in with a fork to seal. And once the edges are sealed, you can use a pizza cutter to remove any excess dough. Now we're ready to fry, so I have some canola oil in a pot here, heated to 350 degrees, and I'm just going to be frying those pies 2 at a time for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. And this is what they should be looking like when they're done. Let them cool on a wire rack. And while they're still hot, go ahead and coat them with some cinnamon sugar. And my favorite way to serve this is with some ice cream on the side and caramel drizzle on top. So let me know if you've enjoyed this recipe or even if you tried it in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.